Hey, it's Jason with Dads That Cook, and we are all the way down in Mexico. We're in Cerritos, hanging out with my friend Rob Chorny.
We're making pico de gallo.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
2 pinches of this. So now we're making guacamole.
We are?
Yeah, thus
Wow.
the advocates. So we're gonna put some onion in there. Y limones, ¿verdad? Dos.
True.
A little bit of mayonnaise. We'll keep that from going black.
Go for it. So what are we making now, Rob? What's the story?
Salsa tatemala.
For the tacos.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna roast the tomatoes. We're gonna roast a little bit of garlic, hot chili. We're going to take these aguachiles.
Okay.
And take the seeds out.
All right.
And we're gonna put them in the blender.
Okay.
And we just turned it into Guajillo chili powder.
That's
Como
amazing.
polvo.
You roasted the tomatoes, the garlic, the jalapeno.
Okay for a little seed in there because
That's
we
okay.
want it hot. Cilantro, salt in there.
Black pepper. So we got the powder in there. We got everything else.
So rather than just turn this on and let it just turn into liquid,
Mush, yeah.
we're just gonna.
Just a little. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Yeah,
That's about it. Let's smell it. Yeah, let's smell that.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah! Wow.
Wow.
That's gonna be crazy good.
These ribeyes. So all I've done so far is put a little olive oil with a little garlic on them.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to use my very.
Lowry's?
You can get anywhere. Lowry's
Wow.
seasoned salt. Montreal steak seasoning.
Seriously, the
it's fantastic. I put it on everything.
Everything?
Our grill is heated up to 600 degrees.
Oh, look at that. Nice and hot. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Leave those like the way they are for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we'll flip
Flip them. You got the flames. Oh, that looks so good.
So we're going to take them off and let them sit for a bit. And now this is a beef bouillon cube, and we're going to just chop this up.
And this is going to be for your...
This is going to be for our lamb.
For the lamb.
So let's put that in there.
You want that lamb to pop.
That's kind of the idea here, is do something a little bit outside of what we normally do, which would be rosemary. And that is going to be, my friends, the rub for our lamb. So we're going to just pat that in there and really nice. And flip them babies over.
Yeah, it's going to give it just enough kick.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Wow, check you out. Wow, look how delicate Rob is with his lamb. Yeah, buddy. Party right there.
Yeah. The lamb pops are ready.
That's spicy. I like the kick on it. You got the guacamole, the pico de gallo. You got that spicy sauce you made. So good, hanging out in Cerritos with Rob. We're making some killer food, having a good time, learning about his property. Come down and stay here if you want. He's got condos you can rent. So cool. The Cove at Cerritos.
TheCoveAtCerritos.com.
There you go,
Check
man.
us out.
This is where it's at. Telling you. Look at that view.